Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome to another episode of Financial Trading Culture on Mayowa TV. And the goal is to educate you on how you can multiply your money in the financial market, in the cryptocurrency market, and in the stock market. Now, we've been focusing on Forex for a while because a lot of people have been like, how will they get this right? And this topic I treated in the previous episode on how to exit the market. And I started by sharing with you that a lot of people have entry strategies, but they don't have exit strategy. So you don't want to miss this for any reason. And also at the end of this course, make sure you watch complete because I have another amazing announcement for you that will help you. Okay, if this is your first time, make sure you click on the subscriber button, click on the like button so you will not, and the notification bell so you will not miss out in the next episode that we have for you. And guys, I will always want to get your feedback. I want you to ask questions. I want you to appreciate us. Tell us what you are learning and how it is helping your trading system. Guys, let's get to the screen. Guys, super pumped up. What are we focusing on? Exit strategy. Now, in this episode, the exit strategy I want to share with us is trading with the highs and trading with the lows. We all know that we have market structure and we have a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Your goal is to look at entering a trade here and your exit will be here. So if it is a sell that you have picked on, your goal is to enter the trade from here and exit at the next low. So when you use this approach, it allows you to be able to have a good experience. However, you also need to manage your trade. Now, maybe in the subsequent video, I will help you on how to manage your trade when you have entered a trade. So here we go. Now, when you go in on this trade, imagine what you're risking here and to what you are making. This is why risk management is very important. So if you pick your trade around this zone, look at what the potential that you have to take. And this is very important because you don't want to jump in on a trade when it is going up. You want to go in on the trade when it has given the reversal. You want to go in on the trade when it has given reversal. If you have any challenge with this, you want to check out my videos on market structure. Okay, so let's get to the chart and see how best to take these trades. So this is USD chef, and you good. Let's deal with this. So this is the previous high, and you are able to go in on this other block. Your exit will be here, and your stop loss will be here. Now, the market created a new higher high and a new higher low. When the market went up, you do not have business with it. When the market retraced back, then your entry will be around this zone. So your exit price will be at the moon. So if you go in on this trade with a stop loss of 25 pips, you are exiting at 158 pips, which is not a bad investment at all. So this is how you want to be able to master this approach of exit. So you are able to get in on this demand zone and your exit will be here. So from here to this zone, you are good to go. So this is giving us lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You have your exit at this discounted zone. Your exit will be here. So with this, you want to always ask yourself, where is the market coming from? Is it creating higher highs or is creating lower lows? If the market is creating lower lows, you want to wait for the market retracement here. Market goes back up, then you sell off. You want to wait for the market, come back, then you do what? You sell off. You buy out. So this is how you want to consistently make money from the market using your strategy. So if you're using trend line, if you're using moving average, if you're using supply and demand, if you're using support and resistance, you want to make sure you have an exit strategy that is planned from the beginning of the trade. So don't ever go in a trade without you projecting and asking yourself, where will I exit? It is very important, and using the higher highs and lower lows, this will help you to be able to enjoy and have a smooth exit of the trade. I'm really pumped up about this, and you're good to go. Okay, so Mr. Mayowa, what do you have for us? 2 announcements I have for you. We've put together a boot camp for those who want to learn, a 3 days boot camp for those who want to learn how we trade in the institutional trading concept. Now, this is a crash course. All you need to do is to pay $250 instead of $500, and you're going to be good to go. So here is the bootcamp link. It's going to be in the description below. ITC bootcamp. Be able to partake if you're interested, and if you're on the Telegram group, it's also going to be there. All you need to do is to pay before the 28th of this month, and that allows you to be able to enjoy the discount. In this bootcamp, what are we going to be dealing with? We're going to be dealing with multiple time frame, how to identify zones, the checklist that allows you to be able to allows you to approve a zone, how we catch 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 50 trades, sniper entries, all of that you're going to be taught in the 3 days boot camp. Okay, and like I said, it's a $500 training, but you're going to be enjoying 50% discount, and this is what I'm offering you at the end of this boot camp. Guys, this will help you. All you need to do is to go to the link as it is in the description, make your payment, and I will see you in this 3 days crash course on mastering the institutional trading concept. And the second announcement that I have for you is that this Saturday, we're going to be having the part 2 of the Forex, of how to make thousands of dollars every single month in the Forex market. Don't miss it. Make sure you are available 7 p.m. this Saturday, and I'm going to take your question. The last episode was amazing, and a lot of people gained value. I'll look forward to your success, and I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and you're good to go. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out, guys. Bye.